back to my channel. It's Diamond here, also known as Diamond Denise. And are you guys excited like I am for Diamuary? So if you guys are not new to my channel, you know I have done Diamuary the last 2 years. I've been on YouTube about probably 3 years. Really, I've been on YouTube like maybe 1 year, because I haven't really been consistent. But all that is hopefully changing, guys. If you've been keeping up with me, you guys know that I've had so much going on, been so busy, and I just really didn't make time for YouTube like I really wanted to, because of school, because of moving, because of everything. So hopefully now that things are a little more calm in my life, I'm going to really just be consistent and just be present and be real. And I'll talk about all my experiences. I'm sorry that I really didn't get to show you guys all of them, but we'll definitely talk about them, okay? Vlogmas for Christmas was so much fun. I enjoyed it and just really got me back into the routine of wanting to create video and content consistently throughout the year. So I am going to be consistent this year. So Diamuary is upon us. Welcome to January. Diamuary, the best month of the year. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you are not new, thank you as always for being loyal. You already know what Diamuary is. I am posting videos every single day for the month of January. Actually, almost every single day. So this year, I'm only posting videos Monday through Friday. And I have extra videos that I record that may be surprisingly or randomly posted throughout the week or on the weekend. So some days you may get 2 videos. Also doing theme weeks. The purpose of me doing the theme weeks is just for me to get a better idea of kind of what you guys actually want to see. I have so many different videos. My channel covers life, beauty, and SLP. And it's very inconsistent on like where people have interest or what people are interested in, and people are coming back to my channel because I've been gone. So it's like, oh, she's posting videos. So I'm doing theme weeks this week because it's gonna kind of just help me, well, this month, it's gonna help me figure out like what content you guys really like. So please be engaged this month so I know what you want to see, what you want to hear, and just, yeah, so we have a great time. So you guys know every Diamuary I do give away something at the end of the month. I am so excited because literally me being consistent on my channel has been growing, but when I stop, you know, my channel stops growing as well. But so we are like almost at 1,000. I think we're like 150 subscribers away from reaching 1,000 subscribers, which is like, you know, pretty good from starting from the bottom. Now we're here. So what I'm gonna do is, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away 2 prizes. But if we don't reach 1,000, then I'll only be giving away 1 prize at the end of the month. And the way that you can enter to win is follow all the instructions listed below in the description box. You have to be subscribed, you have to like, you can engage on Instagram to get more entries, and I will be having a question video at the end or in the middle of every single video. Every time you respond DM with the correct answer, via email, via DM, I'll enter you into the prize. And I'm gonna make sure I show you guys the process so that people don't think that I cheated or didn't give you your entries. No, you're gonna be entered. So I'll show you guys that at the end of the month, who won, how they won, and whatnot. I hope that you guys are just as excited as I am about this month. I cannot believe that I am turning 27. I'm turning 27, guys. I can't believe it. Like, I remember the last time I was doing a video and I was like, I can't believe I'm turning 24 or 25. But now I'm turning 27. Gosh, oh, I'm just getting old. Oh, 27 is really not that old. I really feel so young, but like when you look at the number, like 27, wow, like I can't believe it. I'm so grateful and thankful that God has let me live this far, or live this long rather, and that I'm making it into another year of life. Like, it's a blessing. It's such a blessing. And I'm so excited for like the place that I'm in, and you know, things that are happening and going and growing and glowing. So there's a lot going on. I hope we can really dive into it this month and for the rest of the year, guys. It's 2020. okay? Your vision should be focused, consistent. You guys are beautiful just the way you are. Like, this is the year for me and you, okay? We are going to grow and glow all 2020. Clear vision. What? Okay, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. So please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment box down below what videos you want to see. We're gonna go ahead and kick off this month with a first entry. If you go ahead and made it this far, if you went ahead and made it this far through the video, please put a green heart in the comment box down below. Why a green heart? Because green is my favorite color. Put a green heart down below just so I know that you're excited, you're ready, you made it this far, and you are going to participate this month, okay? I am so happy. I have a great year planning, and yeah. And make sure you also put down below what type of videos you want to see this month, this year, forever, okay? Make sure you are also following me on my Instagram page, Diamond G Bolt. And if you're at SLP, you can follow the SLP way. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.